Restaurant-style chicken karahi. Add half kg chicken. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Red chili powder half teaspoon. Or as per taste. Salt half teaspoon. Or required. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Filtered water half cup. Add water and mix well so that all the spices are combined. Chop tomatoes 3 to 4. Now cover and cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the lid. Keep the heat on medium. Mash the tomato and garlic paste well with the help of a spoon. Now turn the heat to high. Add a teaspoon of dry coriander powder. Add half teaspoon cumin powder. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and green chillies. Cook well for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Add half a cup of oil or ghee. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes on high flame. After 4 to 5 minutes, add half a cup of beaten curd. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of homemade or canned cream. Tip: always keep the stove on low heat while adding curd or cream. Now cook on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes till curd water dries up. Cover and cook on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, now add half a teaspoon of hot spices. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now mix well. Half a teaspoon of Kalonji. Hazrat Muhamad said, "There is healing in black cumin, Kalonji, for all diseases except death." Finely chopped green chillies. Finely chopped ginger. Finely sliced lemon slices. Finely chopped coriander. Canned cream can also be used for garnishing. Optional. Simmer on low flame for 2 minutes. Your restaurant-style chicken kadhahi is ready.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, keep watching Beauty Tips by Amna. Bye bye.
Before cooking, you should know about some essential beauty tips. Tip 1. Wash hands thoroughly before preparing food. Tip 2. Be sure to use sunblock on your hands and face after washing your hands. If your hands smell of chicken or any spices after making restaurant-style chicken karahi, you can use these tips. Tip 3. Washing hands with salt removes all kinds of odors from hands. Tip 4. You can use any toothpaste to remove odor from hands. Tip 5. Mix water and half a lemon in a vessel and dip your hands in this vessel for some time. Doing this also removes the smell from the hands.